I haven't did a co-star in a while. I'm on call still, but I'm gonna try to squeeze in this mod. Woo! That was nasty. Alright folks, what's going on? Is E-Unit about to do this install of the taillight inserts. You guys might not know what it is, but you'll see when I put it on. But this was at the end of my year-end video. These are the instructions. I already read through them. They're pretty detailed. It's actually pretty good stuff. Well, these are the actual products right here. And this is the, what is this called? It's an adhesive promoter. I'm supposed to stick it on the lights. You see? You'll see when I'm finished. Anyways, let's go through it. Alright, well, the direction says I have to use masking tape. I have to make sure I can apply it, and I have to apply it to make sure it'll stick. It's supposed to last about a lifetime, so I gotta use the masking tape. I just gotta prep the area. If the masking tape doesn't stick, then I have to clean the surface. But obviously it's dirty since I haven't drove it in a week. I'm still on call, so I might get some calls, but if the machine is on fire, they're just gonna have to wait. Alright folks, since I only got one hand, you have to excuse my one-handedness. I wasn't born with 3 arms as certain people, so I'm just gonna use this little sample. Tear it off, and I already messed it up. So, well, as you can see, it kind of actually sticks, so I don't really have to clean it, but nah, it doesn't. Nah, not good enough. I mean, I was gonna clean it anyways, but I just want to show y'all the process. I mean, these directions are really thought out. So they say use a 32-ounce bottle with 6 tablespoons of soap and a wrist of water, and here it is. So I'm just gonna, let's see, unscrew it. This is a brand new triggering bottle. Yeah, I keep these in my job. It's kind of expendable. Oop, nope. Sorry guys, I'm having technical difficulties. And I like it. It's kind of cold out here. Grab my microfiber towel, and this is the one I used in the video. I didn't want to use a new one. Hopefully it doesn't bite me in the ass. I just want to make sure I get the area that I need to apply this stuff on. Yeah, this VHT Nightshades thing is holding up pretty well. I use clear coat. It wasn't in the video, but yeah, I gotta make it shine. Get that little glossiness. Alright, so here's my second attempt at doing this. You gotta keep doing it until you get it where it just, you gotta put a little force to take it off, and yeah, I'm about content with that. It's still a little bit wet for me spraying it, but strong enough to me. Just making sure this thing lasts, you know. Yeah, that's what you want to hear. It's like you pulling somebody's hairs, they back hairs with it. It remind me of that 40-year-old version. Youch! Alright, got that done, so just gotta use some solution, like rubbing out with alcohol and water, not the ones you drink, guys. Keep locking this stuff. Alright. Just to get any, this is just regular preparation. The first one was any of that hard stuff, but now I passed the test, the masking tape test. Alright, on to the next step. Alright, the next step is to use this adhesive promoter. which is apparently flammable, and whatever this other stuff means. Just don't sniff it. There you go. Alright, I'm supposed to go around the surface. It's just a adhesive thing to make the bond stronger than regular 3M tape. So I gotta do it to both. It comes with two of them. There's this, and there's this one right here. So I'm gonna use one each. I don't know how it's supposed to work, but I'm just gonna rub it. Hopefully something comes up. The good kind of stuff. Alright guys, turns out that you're supposed to crush this, and it has a ooze. It's like a chemical that comes out. It's like one of them cigarettes, the Camels. Yeah, crush it. For any of you smokers, I don't advise smoking, but yep, it's the same steps. Both, either way, when you crush it, whether it's a Camel or a promoter, it's not good for you. Alright, and since it's a liquid, I don't want it to dry, so I'm gonna do the other side when I finish this side. Okay folks, so next step is to apply these right here on the lights. See, you got the 3M tape. What I gotta do is just shape it up and stick it on there, and that's it. And it has a tape on there. It's not blue. It's not blue. It's like to protect from me scratching it and stuff while applying it. So let me pause the video and I'll get right back to you. I can't get a focus. There you go. Nope. Okay, that's a little better. Alright, already got them on. I'll just have to adjust the trunk height so it won't look all crooked. See, it looks higher on this side, but on this side it's kind of even. But there's a way you can fix that, but I won't get to it until I apply this one, so hold on. Alright guys, I got both sides on. Still got the little tape on. And guess what? I have a service call, so you guys will have to stay tuned for the next video. No guys, I'm kidding. But I do have 2 service calls. Damn, work phone is jumping like freaking Pongo. Alright, well, time to peel this off. Let me just put some pressure on it, make sure it sticks, and then I'll unveil it for you. Alright folks, are you ready for the big unveil? I mean, it's obviously chrome. Watch, I unpeel it, it's like purple or something. Hey, E-Unit. Wow, this is pretty dope. Oh, nice. I'm loving it already. I'm gonna let y'all sit here and watch it with me. Screw it. There you go. That is too nice. Man, that's kick-ass. Imagine in the daytime, man, with the lights reflecting. These folks don't know what's gonna happen to them. I might cause a wreck. It's a perfect reflection. You can see everything. This ain't like how this is. You can see it's chrome, but it's like dull. And this is, you can see my facial expression. You can see if I had a booger in my nose with this. There you have it, folks. I just gotta align this trunk real quick. Well, what you do is just tighten this down. That's it. I don't know which way, but we'll find out. Yeah, it's a little lower than this one. So let's see. Still no. I must be doing something wrong. Maybe it's too high. Or maybe I'm supposed to raise it up. I'll give. Well, anyway, guys, I'll have to follow up on that. How to adjust the trunk. I think it has to do with the hinges. These right here. So y'all can see it. I'm gonna have to do some research on that. Well, anyways, if you guys like the video, well, like the video. If you don't. If you've been liking this whole time without subscribing, what's the matter, you? It's 2018. Enjoy yourself. Well, me right now is not. But by the time you see it, will be. Peace.